Hello, and welcome back to Wiki, your go-to channel for financial tips, tricks, and ways to make money online. Today, we're diving into Binance and learning how you can set up auto-invest on the platform to build wealth automatically. Whether you're new to crypto or looking to automate your investment strategy, we'll guide you step by step. Let's jump right in. Section 1. What is auto-invest in Binance? Before we get into the how-to, let's briefly cover what auto-invest is. Auto-invest is a feature in Binance that allows you to automatically purchase cryptocurrencies on a regular basis, similar to a traditional dollar-cost averaging strategy. The feature helps you spread your investment over time, so you're not buying at a single price point. This is useful because crypto prices can be highly volatile, and spreading out your purchases minimizes risk while maximizing potential long-term gains. You can choose the crypto you want to buy, how much you want to invest, and the frequency of your investments, whether it's daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Auto-investing is a hands-off, set-it-and-forget-it approach to crypto investing. Section 2. Why use auto-invest on Binance? So, why should you use auto-invest? Here are a few key benefits. Consistency. Auto-investing helps you consistently add to your portfolio without having to remember to make manual transactions. Dollar-cost averaging. By investing regularly over time, you reduce the risk of buying during market highs and benefit from lower prices during dips. Convenience. With auto-invest, you set your preferences once, and Binance does the rest for you. Automating your strategy. It allows you to build a long-term strategy without having to spend time managing it daily. Section 3. Setting up auto-invest on Binance. Now, let's walk through the process of setting up auto-invest on Binance. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. First, log into your Binance account. If you don't have one, you can create an account by visiting Binance.com and following the registration process. Step 2. Navigate to auto-invest. Once logged in, go to the Earn section at the top of the page. Under this, you'll find the auto-invest option. Click on it. Step 3. Select the cryptocurrency. You'll see a list of cryptocurrencies that you can auto-invest in, including popular ones like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Binance Coin, BNB. Select the cryptocurrency that you want to invest in. Step 4. Choose the investment amount and frequency. After selecting the cryptocurrency, choose how much you want to invest and how often. For instance, you can set it to invest $50 worth of Bitcoin every week. Step 5. Set up your payment method. Next, choose your payment method. This can be from your Spot wallet or any other wallet connected to your Binance account. Make sure you have enough funds in your wallet for the auto-investment to proceed smoothly. Step 6. Confirm and start auto-investing. Once you've set everything up, click Confirm. Congratulations, your auto-investment is now active. Binance will automatically invest the selected amount of your chosen cryptocurrency based on the schedule you set. Section 4. Customizing your auto-invest plan. One of the great things about Binance's auto-invest feature is its flexibility. Here's how you can customize your plan. Modify or pause your auto-invest plan. You can adjust your auto-invest settings at any time. Want to increase the investment amount or change the frequency? Simply head back to the auto-invest page and modify the plan. You can also pause or stop your plan without any penalties. Diversifying your auto-invest portfolio. You're not limited to one cryptocurrency. You can set up multiple auto-invest plans for different coins. This allows you to diversify your crypto portfolio automatically. Reinvestment of earnings. If you're earning staking rewards or interest from Binance's other features, you can choose to reinvest these earnings through your auto-invest plan, allowing for compounded growth. Section 5. Managing your auto-invest plan. Managing your auto-invest plan is simple. Once the plan is active, you can monitor it under the auto-invest plan section on your Binance dashboard. From here, you'll be able to track your investments, view a summary of past purchases, adjust, pause, or cancel your auto-invest plan. Binance will also send notifications or emails to keep you updated on the status of your auto-investing activities. Section 6. Is auto-investing right for you? While auto-investing is a great tool for many, it may not be the best fit for everyone. Here's what to consider. Long-term investors benefit the most from auto-investing because it smooths out the volatility of crypto markets. If you're someone who wants to time the market or actively trade, this strategy may not suit your approach. It's essential to have a solid understanding of the cryptocurrency you're investing in and the long-term potential of that asset. For those looking for a hands-off approach to building wealth in crypto, auto-invest is an excellent strategy. There you have it, a complete guide on how to set up auto invest in Binance. This tool allows you to take a long-term approach to crypto investing without the hassle of constantly monitoring the market. If you're ready to build your portfolio consistently and effortlessly, try auto investing on Binance today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wiki for more insightful content on how to make money online and other financial tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.